Statistics show that the average person will spend over $400,000 on vehicles in their lifetime. Think about that number for a second. That is the price of a luxury home, a comfortable retirement, or a world-class education. Most of that money vanishes into thin air, lost to rapid depreciation, predatory financing, and the inevitable planned obsolescence that forces you back into a dealership every 6 or 7 years. But there is a secret group of vehicles that the auto industry doesn't want you to know about. There is a small, elite category of machines so over-engineered, so mechanically pure, and so fundamentally robust that buying just one of them could effectively replace 3 or even 4 average cars. I'm talking about machines that routinely eclipse 500,000 miles without requiring major engine or transmission overhauls. We are talking about odometers that look like phone numbers and engines that sound the same at 400,000 miles as they did on the day they left the factory. Reliability like this kills profits for manufacturers, which is why you'll never see these facts in a Super Bowl commercial. Today we are pulling back the curtain and exposing the 12 cars that can save you over $200,000 in lifetime vehicle costs. We aren't looking at luxury marketing. We are looking at real-world data, engineering blueprints, and the testimony of million-mile owners. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We only cover vehicles proven in the real world to protect your wallet. Now, let's count down to the single most indestructible car ever built. Number 12. Mazda 3, 2014 to present. The Mazda 3 is the quiet reliability champion. Its Skyactiv G 2.5-liter engine uses a high 13:1 compression ratio, reducing carbon buildup and engine stress. Paired with a proven Aisin 6-speed automatic, it avoids CVT and dual-clutch failures. Lightweight design and strong rust protection help many examples push past 400,000 miles. Number 11. Subaru Legacy, 2010 to present. The Subaru Legacy thrives in harsh climates. Its 2.5-liter boxer engine sits low, reducing vibration and long-term wear. Modern FB engines fixed Subaru's head gasket issues, and the mechanical AWD system avoids electronic failures. With proper CVT fluid changes, these cars regularly exceed 400,000 miles. Number 10. Acura TL, 2004 to 2014. The Acura TL is a forgotten durability legend. Powered by Honda's J-Series V6, it was engineered for heavy, long-term use. The 6-speed automatic prioritizes smooth shifts over speed, extending transmission life. With proper care, 300,000-plus miles is common. Number 7. Toyota Corolla, 2014 to present. The Corolla is simplicity perfected. Its naturally aspirated 1.8-liter engine avoids turbos in direct injection problems. The CVT uses a physical first gear, reducing launch stress. Cheap parts and low operating costs make the Corolla one of the longest-lasting cars ever built. Number 8. Lexus ES, 2013 to present. The Lexus ES combines Toyota reliability with luxury comfort. Its V6 uses dual injection to prevent carbon buildup, while heavy sound insulation reduces vibration and interior wear. Built with premium materials and conservative engineering, many ES models exceed 300,000 miles effortlessly. Number 7. Honda Civic, 2016 to present. The Honda Civic is built for high mileage. Its 2.0-liter engine revs freely but cruises under low stress. The rigid, high-strength steel chassis prevents long-term squeaks and flex. Strong resale value proves the Civic still has life left even at high mileage.
Number 6. Toyota Prius, 2010 to present. The Prius rewrote durability rules. Its hybrid system reduces engine load, while the eCVT has no belts or clutches to fail. Regenerative braking dramatically cuts brake wear. Taxi fleets worldwide regularly push these cars beyond 500,000 miles. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz E-Class, 2003 to 2016. Only the W211 and W212 generations qualify. These E-Class models used extremely durable engines and the legendary 7G Tronic transmission. Maintenance is expensive, but when serviced properly, these cars can reach 500,000 miles, hence their popularity as European taxis. Number 4. Toyota Camry, 2012 to present. The Camry wins through stress-free engineering. Its 2.5-liter engine and traditional automatic transmission are built for longevity. Parts are cheap, repairs are simple, and nearly every mechanic knows how to work on one. It's one of the safest long-term bets on the road. Number 3. Lexus LS, 2007 to present. The Lexus LS was engineered to outlast everything. Its V8 uses ultra-low-friction internals, and every component, from seats to switches, was tested for extreme longevity. It's one of the only luxury sedans where 400,000 miles isn't unusual. Number 2. Honda Accord, 2013 to present. The Accord made 200,000 miles feel normal. Its turbo engines use ball-bearing turbos and timing chains for long service life. Low maintenance costs and excellent reliability make it a true buy-it-once sedan. Number 1. Toyota Avalon, 2013 to present. The Toyota Avalon is the undisputed king of longevity. Its 3.5-liter V6 has an almost zero catastrophic failure rate. Light engine load, simple design, and Toyota's build quality allow many Avalons to exceed 500,000 miles with minimal repairs. Luxury without fragility. That's why it's number 1. These 12 cars prove that 500,000-mile durability isn't luck. It is engineering discipline, material science, and corporate philosophy. If you choose one of these and maintain it properly, you may never have to make another car payment again. Which of these would you trust with your $400,000 lifetime budget? Let us know in the comments below. Would you like me to create a detailed maintenance checklist specifically for these 500,000-mile engines to help yours last forever? Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.